Meaning of demean.
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 Demean. The word demean has a few meanings, but one of its most common uses is to describe the act of lowering someone's status or reputation through words or actions. When you demean someone, you make them feel small or insignificant. You might do this by belittling their accomplishments or mocking their appearance. The result of demeaning someone can be extremely harmful, as it can damage their self-esteem and cause them to feel unworthy or unimportant. It is important to treat others with respect and kindness, and avoid engaging in behavior that might demean or diminish them.